Hello happy souls, this is my new project Kawasaki KB100 OTZ rebuild, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for this rebuild project. And now we are in chapter 8, removing other parts. In that we are in part 5 with bearing cone set assembly and sprocket assembly. And this is a rear wheel chain sprocket. It comes with 6 nut and 3 flat type washers which is used to lock the nut, because due to vibration and other reasons these may fall. To prevent that, these are locked with it, and you can unfold it with the screwdriver or a plier, and you can flatten it with the hammer. And this is how it looks after doing that. And now you can get the tool access easily. Use a 14 mm spanner and remove all these nut assemblies and the flat washers. And for buying a new thing, when I ask for the KB100 one, they are giving the CD100 and the boxer vehicles, because those things come with 4-hole assemblies and these have 6 holes. And while buying, you have to be careful, and we have to take these entire sprocket assembly so that he can identify it. And getting a Suzuki one and the Yamaha RX types 2 strokes, it is easier, but this is little tough. And after removing this, tap with the mallet or a plier at the corners so that it can easily come, because it is left here for more years. And after taking this, at the other end, these are connected to the nut assemblies. It is like self locking, because these bolts are like square in type, and this is the reason why I say to use the gloves, because whatever it may happen, because safety is important. And this is one of the reason I use gloves for restoring old bikes. And this is a crusher rubber, and like while replacing the rear wheel sprocket, you have to replace these crusher rubber, the bearing assembly, and you have to grease it completely. And coming to the cone assembly, this is the bottom part of the cone assembly. And there are many ways to remove this, and in some cases it may easily come off. Here you have to enlarge the space with a screwdriver, and you can hit with the hammer. This is one of the way. And the other way is like some may take to the lathe, some may heat with the heat gun or welding torch and other things. There are many things, but whatever it may be, the cone assembly has a lower type bearing at the bottom, and the remaining will be in the front part of the frame assembly and one at the top of the cone assembly. Totally 4 parts. And after removing this, we can move to the frame assembly. Here this is the lower part, and at the frame assembly, this is already painted, because if we take these and give, they will paint at the part. So I am removing this after painting. Just with the iron rod hit around the corners, it will easily eject. That's all for this video. Bye.